Are you looking for distinctive materials for furniture, partition design, or creative interiors? Senpu Water Ripple Acrylic is trusted by builders, designers, and material suppliers around the world for its striking beauty and versatility. Crafted with high-quality, heat-bendable acrylic, our Ripple Acrylic mimic flowing water with clarity and texture. Choose from vibrant color options and thickness variations, suitable for indoor decor and creative construction needs. From home office desks to stylish furniture legs, Senpu Water Ripple Acrylic is heat-bendable and structurally strong, ideal for modern, custom furniture manufacturing. Water Ripple Acrylic can be used as a partition or decorative screen. The rippling texture provides privacy while enhancing light flow and ambiance. Perfect for offices, salons, cafes, and creative studios. Explore our Water Ripple Acrylic full range: clear ripple acrylic, color ripple acrylic, custom thickness, and sizing available. Our materials are designed to meet both design flexibility and project durability, whether for retail displays, partitions, or furniture components. With OEM/ODM services, stable production capacity, and global transportation, Senpu supports customers in the furniture, construction, and material sourcing sectors. Welcome to contact us for samples and quotes.